Sing sang tay tay leho. My name is Caroline Fernandez. I'm 44 years old. I'm from Banwar, Cabarugis, Quirino, Philippines. I'm happy married. I have two sons, ages 16 and 22 years old. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate. My hobbies are singing, reading, book, and also playing volleyball and badminton. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve one couple and two children ages 3 and 7 years old. I work in Singapore for 7 months. I serve one couple and one child aged 2 months old. I also work in Saudi Arabia as housemaid for 2 years. I serve one couple and 4 children ages 5, 16, 18, and 22.